Kispai Indian Air Force kebetulan dengan jalan Mekhlaya. Kelas nama kentul put yang sekejap jemta jong ulum Shyllong. Hakap ta kepada apa jong Shyllong regi Shyllong. Tak kapat tamput sekejap kaki memdisu ke jongki masih ia kipaya. Balik pada kipat kikam tamput. Kena kecing lek jong sipai sun kalau penlong ia kipat bab ai kecing ujor kena kecing lek jong sipai sun kibanan pok ke jalan Mekhlaya. Hari kini nak kaliang jong keyboard punya kata prodi kamtam ki engineer kira ujor persyak kena kecing lek jong sipai sun nama kira tamput sekejap kaki. Hei wala kata kaliang jong sipai sun jong semua sengap saja bagi lek ai pecamat bagi cing Treh. Nak kaliang jong kipat bab kira ujor su emili jong anak karam ubah ada mila bahasa yang bat mentak sengi kakak atarik unlai lur ada apply. Ulah hiar hidali rangkat kipat bab man ujor persyak ya kena kecing lek jong sipai sun. Hakaban kau nak kaliang jong sipai kem semua sengap saja bat kira khat pen ubah ada menyakan sepok jaga trekam joki. Kalau kan dikamtan nak kaliang jauh ada nung semua teriak saja bandung jaga trekam joki bat ulah dawa bagi di bangunan handa surok menyakan nagam ta bani imahmat akan dikejingja. Ketukan depa pat lawan saki he jong sipai son kebetulan depa nyumer menyakan penbaik akan dikejingja. Bat lembah akan dikejing tua jong badan dekat kejuran lagi pat baru nak kaliang jong sipai son kela kurar bat sengek no akan dikejing Treh.
Siapa?
You come out.
How's everything? So they're opening the door also.
They didn't open the door. See what they have done. They've just constructed this.
This is
erected
outside,
these
ma.
pillars.
This is our area.
No. Please don't explain. We know. You have been asked by the PLD to stop. You didn't stop. Even the DC, the Deputy Commissioner, has asked you. You didn't stop. So we are here to stop this work. You cannot continue. You have to dismantle. Even this gate is not supposed to be closed like this. The road belongs to us. No. We've got our own. We don't depend on the maps. We can listen to you also.
फिलहाल stop the work for now. We'll stop the work.
Sir.
And we'll see after that whatever we see.
Done, sir. Even DC office से भी जो आए थे
Not to worry. They are all the local public.
बिल्कुल.
Stop the work immediately and then.
They must have the courtesy, no? At least they must take the local people into confidence. And we are here. They just cannot decide what you want to do. We will not allow.
हम लोग अंदर चले जाएंगे. We'll stop the work immediately. No problem. What I'll do is that if the land.
I was told by the Deputy Commissioner that the meeting was convenes tomorrow. It's supposed to be tomorrow. So I've already instructed the Deputy Commissioner.
Yeah.
And the PLD also, they told me they have requested, and the engineer himself, he came here to ask them, but they didn't listen, no? Which is why I had to come by myself. Otherwise, I didn't want to come, no? I've got some other works also to do. But since it is within my constituency, I cannot.
I know absolutely, definitely.
Hello.
We'll just request people to move on. No, don't worry.
The gate is stopped when they came. I don't know. They will listen.
Quite,
I just cannot do this.
And moreover, it's centrally sponsored this thing, no? In their soil.
Yeah.
So every time the people from the NID they came, and it's a problem for us. Also. So
as I told them to
And,
stop the work now. And after having a meeting, only the
Anyway, I
vehicle
trust you. Ma.
Ma.
Okay, this is your number. I'll keep your number. Bye. Ma. Tayo na, ya. Abi ya.
Tell them everything will be okay.
Meeting is convened tomorrow.
Ma.
Hey, okay, I'll just.